Morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing fine. Um, welcome to class. Today we're having a video class, and I want to remind you that even though this is a video class, you are still responsible for writing your learning objectives, underlining the verbs, and highlighting the what the verb is telling you to do. Okay. Um, Two things today. Today is a tutorial period. That means that you get to work on any work that you have to complete, any work that you are missing, or any work that you have not finished. I want to remind you that if you are still missing work in ELD 3, that is the work that you should start with. If you have all the work completed for ELD 3, then you can work on any work from any other class. If you have if you're all caught up and you don't need to do any work, I am assigning you chapter 3, the Holy Host. So I would like you to please start reading it and annotating it. Okay? And as you read chapter 3, I want you to continue to look at the characters that come out. I want you to continue to look at what relationships come up within the characters. How do the characters change? Does the relationship the characters have change? And what do the characters look like? Have they grown either physically or characteristically? Okay. And I also want you to continue to make connections. What in these stories reminds you of maybe events in your life or people in your life? Okay. I will have in our period 1 channel, I'm going to go ahead and uh, upload this link for you to do your check-in sheet. I just want to review the check-in sheet real quickly to make sure that you remember what to do. If you're in class and you don't have a check-in sheet, there's some on the table by the computer desk, by my computer desk. If you can't find them, go ahead and download this sheet. Okay. And hopefully this will open right now. It's telling me that my sheet has a virus. I don't think it does. But I will clean that up before I put it up for you. I do want to remind you, I want to show you what it looks like. I know you guys know what it looks like. I just want to make sure. Okay. So remember check-in sheet, period 1, you got to put today's date. Whatever assignments you work on today, okay, even if it's just one, you need to put the class and the teacher name. You need to put the assignment, the title of the assignment, the points the assignments are worth, and when it was due. Okay. Here, I need you to tell me what is it that you have to do for this assignment. I want you to explain it in steps, and you can put bullet points there. Down here in the bottom, on your reflection, on your summary, I want you to really tell me how much time in this period, in this block, did you spend working on this assignment? Okay. Did you lose focus? Did you start talking to somebody? Did you go to the kitchen if you're at home? Okay. I want you to really think about what time did you spend on doing this check-in sheet. Okay. Please remember to use complete sentences when you're filling out your check-in sheet. Okay. And again, I'm going to put this in our Teams period 1 class. And copy the link. I do want to remind you, whenever we get a link, I want you to please, once you get your link, remember to go to, when you open it, You have to go to File. You got to go to File. You want to go to Save As. You want to save it, a copy of this online, and you want to put your name on your copy. And once the computer gives you your copy, that is when you're going to start writing on it. Don't start writing on the one that I gave you the link for. Okay? I'm also going to give you Chapter 3, the host. This link, I'm going to also put it in our Teams. So I want you to start reading it and annotating on it. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to our Teams. Remember, in Teams, we're going to period 1. I'm going to be going to period 1 channel. Then I'm going to also put this video in here in our period 1 channel. Miss Chia will be the one who will open it for you and play it for you. If you don't put your name on the attendance once the video class starts with Miss Chia, you will be marked absent. I will only clear your absence if and when you send me your learning objectives for Tuesday and Thursday in a chat in Teams today. Okay, so we're week 14. This is day 3. I'm going to go ahead and put the link. That's the link for our check-in that you have to complete. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the link for our chapter 3. And our chapter 3 is called The Holy Host. Okay. Oh, I do want to remind you also that you have a quiz on period 5 on our readings. So make sure that you spend some time today reviewing chapter 1 and chapter 2. Your comprehension questions that I left you on Tuesday for chapter 2 are due. So make sure that you complete those. Okay? All right, guys. I miss you, and I hope to see you guys on Tuesday. Have a great day. Bye-bye.